Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student in 2024, you probably know the struggle of trying to balance classwork, assignments, social life, and maybe even a part-time job. The good news? The right tools can transform the way you work, study, and manage your time. Whether you're a high school student, a college goer, or just looking to streamline your study habits, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing the top apps and tools that can help you achieve your academic goals, boost productivity, and even reduce stress. From organizing tasks to acing exams, these tools will become your secret weapons. Let's jump right in. Segment 1. Productivity apps. Managing time effectively is a critical skill for any student, and these productivity apps will help you do just that. Notion. Notion is the ultimate all-in-one organizational tool. Whether you need to take notes, set reminders, track assignments, or plan your weekly schedule, Notion can do it all. What makes it stand out is its customizability. You can create dashboards, use templates to track tasks by subject or project, and even collaborate with classmates. It's perfect for managing both individual and group tasks, and its flexibility means you can adapt it to fit your unique needs. Todoist. For students who prefer simplicity but still want a powerful tool, Todoist is a fantastic choice. You can create to-do lists, organize tasks by category, set priorities, and assign due dates. The app integrates seamlessly with Google Calendar, making it easy to manage your schedule without switching between apps. Whether you're juggling daily assignments or long-term projects, Todoist keeps you on track. Trello. If you're working on group projects, Trello is a game changer. It uses visual boards to help you manage tasks collaboratively. You can create boards for each subject or project, add task cards, and move them through different stages of completion. It's an excellent way to keep everyone on the same page and ensure deadlines are met. You can even attach files and set reminders for added efficiency. Segment 2. Study tools and note-taking apps. A strong study strategy starts with staying organized and making your learning process more efficient. These apps are designed to help you master that. Evernote. This classic note-taking app is perfect for students who need a reliable way to store and organize information. You can create notebooks for different subjects, clip web pages, and even scan handwritten notes into the app. Evernote's tagging system makes it easy to find what you need when you're reviewing for exams or working on assignments. Microsoft OneNote. If you're a fan of the Microsoft ecosystem, OneNote is an ideal companion. It's completely free and offers a highly interactive way to take notes. You can type, draw, embed multimedia, and organize your content with tabs. It's great for subjects that require diagrams or visual aids, making it versatile for any type of learner. Anki. When it comes to memorization, Anki is unparalleled. Using the science of spaced repetition, Anki helps you retain information over time by showing you flashcards at optimal intervals. Whether you're learning vocabulary, historical dates, or scientific formulas, this app ensures you're studying smarter, not harder. Segment 3. Writing and grammar tools. Good writing is essential for success in school, and these tools make it easier to produce clear, professional work. Grammarly. Grammarly is your personal writing assistant. It checks your spelling, grammar, and punctuation, but it doesn't stop there. It also evaluates clarity, tone, and readability, offering suggestions to improve sentence structure and word choice. Whether you're drafting essays, emails, or reports, Grammarly ensures your writing is polished and error-free. Hemingway Editor. If you've ever struggled to make your writing concise and clear, Hemingway is here to help. It highlights overly complex sentences, excessive adverbs, and passive voice, giving you actionable feedback to improve your writing style. It's perfect for essays, reports, or any piece of writing that needs to communicate ideas effectively. QuillBot. Sometimes, you just need a fresh way to phrase something, and that's where QuillBot shines. This AI-powered paraphrasing tool helps you rewrite sentences or paragraphs without losing their original meaning. It's especially helpful for research papers or creative writing assignments when you're looking for inspiration or need to avoid redundancy. Segment 4. Collaboration Tools. Collaboration is key for group projects and study sessions. These tools make working with peers seamless. Google Meet. For virtual classes or group study sessions, Google Meet is one of the most accessible and reliable tools. You can join meetings directly from your browser, and it integrates with Google Calendar, Docs, and Gmail. It's simple to use and perfect for remote learning or staying connected with classmates. Slack. Slack isn't just a messaging app. It's a powerful platform for organizing group projects. You can create channels for different topics, share files, and integrate other apps like Google Drive or Trello. It's perfect for staying organized when you're juggling multiple group activities. Miro. Miro is an online whiteboard tool that's fantastic for brainstorming and visualizing ideas. You can map out concepts, organize tasks, or collaborate with your study group in real time. It's especially useful for creative projects or when you need to break down complex topics visually. Segment 5. Research and Citation Tools. Tackling research projects? These tools will help you manage sources and citations with ease. Zotero. Zotero is an essential tool for students working on research papers. It lets you collect, organize, and cite your sources automatically. You can save articles, PDFs, and notes, and it formats citations in a variety of styles. It's a massive time saver for anyone managing multiple sources. Mendeley. Similar to Zotero, Mendeley is perfect for managing research papers and citations. Its collaborative features make it ideal for group projects. You can highlight and annotate PDFs, share your library, and keep all your references organized. Segment 6. Math and Science Tools. Math and science can be challenging, but these tools simplify the process. WolframAlpha. This app is like having a personal tutor. It solves complex equations, analyzes data, and answers detailed STEM-related questions. Whether you're working on a tough calculus problem or exploring physics concepts, WolframAlpha is a must-have. Photomath. Got a tricky math problem? Photomath lets you take a picture of it and provide step-by-step solutions. It's great for learning from your mistakes and improving your problem-solving skills. Segment 7. Wellness and Mental Health Tools. Balancing academics and mental health is vital. These apps support your well-being. Headspace. Headspace offers guided meditation sessions to reduce stress, improve focus, and help you sleep better. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference in your mental health and productivity. Forest. Forest is a fun, gamified app that helps you stay focused. When you start a study session, the app plants a virtual tree that grows as long as you remain on task. It's a creative way to avoid distractions and stay productive. That wraps up my list of the best apps and tools for students in 2024. Whether you're managing tasks, studying smarter, or taking care of your well-being, these tools have something for everyone. Which of these apps are you excited to try? Do you have any favorites that weren't mentioned? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies this year.